So hello students, welcome to the online class. We are doing chapter number 8, comparing quantities, and now we are doing exercise number 8.1. Okay, so in exercise 8.1 there is question number 1 and 2 we have done in previous class. Now we have to do question number 3. So question number 3 is 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many students are interested? 72% students. And out of how many 72%? Out of 25 students, 72% students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? So in question number 3 here given that how many total number of students are there? Total number of students equal to 25. Okay, and how many are interested in mathematics in that? So interested in students in mathematics equal to how many students are interested in mathematics? 72%. No, only 72% students are interested in mathematics. Okay, so how many are not interested in mathematics we have to find. So firstly देखो कितने परसेंट इंटरेस्टेड है? 72%. सो हाउ मच नंबर इज 72%? अगर मैं आपको बोल दूं कि 72% आलू लेकर आ जाओ तो समझ जाओगे क्या कि कितना किलो बोल रहा हूँ? नहीं समझ पाओगे ना. दैट मीन यू हैव टू फाइंड अ स्पेसिफिक नंबर इन द प्लेस ऑफ 72%. ओके, सो हियर इज 72% एंड 25. सो interested student in mathematics is 72%. ना, so 70 interested students number equal to number we have to find now. So 72% of 25. Total number of students is 25 and 72% we have to find. That's why I written here 72% of 25. Is it clear to all? So now I am writing here 72%. That means 72% means upon 100. In the place of percent we have to write upon 100. Of means multiply. Of means multiply. And there is 25. So we have to write 25. Okay. We have to find 72% upon 72 upon 100 into 25. That means 25 for the 100. Now 4 ones are 4. How much left here? 3. Because 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 and 2 32. 4 8 are 32. So what is left here? 18. So 18 students are interested in maths. How many students are interested in maths? 18. Now we have to find how many students are not interested in maths. So total students is 25 and 18 students are interested. So how many students are not interested? 7. So therefore students who are not interested in maths equal to 25 minus 18 is equal to 7, which is your answer. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Okay. Now we have question number 4. So question number 4 is a football team won 10 matches out of their total number of matches. That means फुटबॉल टीम ने 10 मैच जीते उनके टोटल मैचेस में से. सपोज दे हैव प्लेड x गेम्स. दैट मीन number of games is equal to x. We have to suppose now. So question number 4 I am starting. Question number 4 solution equal to total number of game equal to x, or we are assuming this thing, no? We are supposing, we are letting this thing that total number of games is equal to x. Now the football team won 10 matches. How many matches they won? 10 matches. Okay, फ्रॉम द नंबर ऑफ मैचेस दे प्लेड, मतलब उन लोगों ने टोटल कितने मैच खेले x, और उसमें से जीते कितने 10. क्लियर? टोटल कितने मैच खेले x और जीते कितने 10. नाउ इफ देयर विन परसेंट वाज 40, विन परसेंट वाज 40, सो एंड विन परसेंट इक्वल टू win percent equal to how much is win percentage?
40.
Win percentage equal to 40, na? So total number of games is x and win percentage is 40. So then how many matches did they play in all? Okay, so how many matches they won? How many matches they won? 10, na? So see here carefully. Now here also given here number of matches they won equal to 10. Number of matches they won equal to 10. So in the place of 10, therefore I can write here, what we can write here? See, x, sorry, 40% of x equal to 10. We can write or not? We can write now, because 40% is winning percent and 10 is the winning number. Number of the matches who they were won is 10 and 40% is winning percent. So 40% of x equal to 10. Now 40%. So in the place of 40 upon 100. Okay, of means multiply. In the place of x we have to write x and equal to 10. Is it clear to all? Okay, very good. Now we have to find the value of this x. Now we have to find the value of this x. So x equal to 10. Since 100 is in denominator here, then if we transpose it, then it will multiply. ना 100 यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? देखो डिवाइड हो रहा है, इधर आएगा तो क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई. देन 10 into 100 अपॉन, यहाँ 40 अप साइड में है, इस साइड आएगा तो कहाँ होगा? डाउन साइड. दैट मीन इन डिनोमिनेटर इज 40. सो 40 नीचे आ गया, 100 ऊपर चला. इज इट क्लियर? इफ वी ट्रांसपोज, देन डिनोमिनेटर became numerator and numerator became denominator. Now 40 is here, so 4 0 0 is cancelled to each other. Now 4 2s are 8. How much left here? 2. 8 10 minus 8 2, and 2 and 0 20. That means 4 5s are 20. So 25 is the value of x. So 25 is the value of x. So total number of game equal to x equal to 25. Okay. So in question we have to find that total number of game equal to, we have to find. So we suppose that this is equal to x, and in final we find that the value of x equal to 25. Therefore they played 25 matches in total. How many matches they played? 25 matches. In total they played 25 matches. Is it clear to all? Okay, एक बार फिर से explanation देखते हैं. Total number of game equal to x. We supposed it. Okay. Now win percentage equal to 40, which is given in question. And number of matches they won equal to 10, which is also in question, no? So we use 40% of x equal to 10. It is there, no? So 40 upon 100 multiplied by x equal to 10. Now x equal to 10 into 100 upon 40 equal to 25. We solved it and find the value of x. Okay, so value of x equal to 25. That means 25 is the number of matches they played in all. Okay, so please note down this. And question number 5 is just similar to this question, so do it by your own. Question number 5 is your homework, and from tomorrow we will start finding the increase and decrease percent related question. Okay, and discounts in questions which we have to find. From tomorrow we will do that kind of question. So till there, do complete exercise 8.1. Thank you.